My favorite thing about Lumen.
Hey guys, so one of the things I really like about Lumen, I've just taken my breath away. So one of the things I really like with it is that it kind of highlights that everything matters, everything affects your metabolism. So I just used this, I just blew a 4. So this is my 4 here. I'm just about to do a walk. So we'll see how when I take my Lumen breath again after the walk, to see how that walk's affected me. So we're out and about, out on the walk. Got Poppy, say hello Poppy. Apple Watches on, let me get that in frame. There, so we're just like 3 minutes into the walk. Track on Apple Watch. About hour and a half walking ish, and then see how Lumen affects my breath. Also wearing the Freets on my feet, which are barefoot shoe. If you haven't seen my review video from those, pretty much my favorite shoes just now. If you don't have a Lumen yet and you're interested in getting one, I've got a discount code in the descriptions. Also got discount codes for other products in the description box as well. Be sure to check that out. Thanks. Give me a puppy. This is completely unrelated to the video, but we are like 30 minutes into the walk and the weather's completely changed. It's just like beautiful skies. It's gone warm, the sun's coming out. When I left I had a hoodie and a hat on, and now it's roasting. This is Scotland. This is what happens here. Prepare for the worst, expect the best. It's crazy. So that's me finish the walk. I'll rest half an hour and then check my Lumen breath. So for the walk, that's my active calories, 626, and total calories was 876. Total calories is active calories, including the resting calories. That's the calories I would have burned anyway if I was just sitting down, or the difference is what I would have burned. So results are in from the walk. After the walk, I've dropped my level down to a 2. From a 4, which would be mostly burning carbs for energy, about 60 to 77% carbs. And now I've switched my level up to a 2, would be mostly fat, 63 to 80% fat, which is excellent for a 2-hour walk. And this thing I like about Lumen, it changes your state of what fuel source you're using, if you're burning carbs or burning fat. And also you can see if you're effectively going into fat burning mode and how does that feel. Of course, total calories that you burn throughout the day and whether you're under your total daily energy expenditure will dictate how much weight you will lose, but it's really beneficial to be burning fat because that's predominantly what you're wanting to get rid of if you're on a diet to lose fat. Again, it's not just this walk that I've done just now, it's pretty much every form of exercise that I do. So here's an example of 45-minute weightlifting session where I dropped from a 2 to 1. And as I've kind of highlighted, it shows that one meal does change you and one workout does matter. And this is the thing that I really like about Lumen. It really shows, and it shows that your body does change with just a single workout or a single meal. And this helps keep you consistent on your journey. As always, guys, thanks very much for watching and hit like and subscribe.